Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a poll on Instagram. So guys, on Instagram, there are two types of poll we can make. The first one is a poll on Instagram story and the second one is a poll on Instagram group chat. And in this opportunity, I would like to show you how you can create a poll on Instagram story. So now let's just create an Instagram story first. We can swipe our screen like this. And then for example, I'm going to use Instagram story layout for my photos. I'm going to click on the layout option right here and I'm going to select this one. I would like to know my followers' opinion about two different photos. So for the first photo, I'm going to upload from my gallery. So we can tap on this option. Then for example, I'm going to go with this photo. Tap on the photo you would like to choose, and for the second photo, I'm going to select from my gallery as well. I'm going to select this photo. Okay, and after that, we can click on the check mark button. Okay, and wait for a moment. Alright, and I'm gonna put a number for my photos to make it easier to choose. We can click on the text option. Then I'm going to put number 1. Okay, and I'm going to make it larger. Okay, and I'm going to put number 2 as well. Okay. Alright, and now let's start creating the Instagram poll. We can click on the sticker button right here. Then we can simply tap on the poll option. This one, tap on the poll option. Then you can put your question right here. Which one do you prefer? Okay, then I'm going to put number 1 and number 2, and after we're done, we can edit this poll. So we can place this poll to the part of Instagram story that we want. We can also zoom in or zoom out like this. Okay. Alright, and once we're done, we can click on your story right here to share this Instagram story poll to our Instagram story. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a poll on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.